Can you guess what a small coffee shop in Melbourne, a global tech giant, and an online fashion boutique all have in common? They might seem worlds apart, but they all share a secret weapon for global growth: Airwallex. You've probably heard the name, but you might be wondering, who actually uses Airwallex? It's a question we get all the time, and the answer is more diverse than you might think. Airwallex isn't just for one type of business, it's a powerful financial infrastructure designed for any company with global ambitions, regardless of size or industry. Let's start with the small guys. Imagine a passionate entrepreneur running that Melbourne coffee shop. They want to source unique coffee beans from Colombia and sell their branded merchandise internationally. In the past, this would be a logistical and financial nightmare of high fees, currency conversions, and complex banking setups. Airwallex simplifies all of this. They can open local currency accounts in multiple countries, pay their Colombian supplier in their local currency, and receive payments from international customers without losing a chunk of their profits to bad exchange rates. For them, Airwallex isn't just a service, it's the key that unlocks a global market that was previously inaccessible. Now, let's scale up. Think about a rapidly growing e-commerce company specializing in handmade jewelry. They have customers in the US, Europe, and Asia, and suppliers all over the world. They need to manage multiple currency accounts, pay suppliers efficiently, and ensure their customers have a seamless checkout experience. Airwallex provides them with a single platform to handle all of this. They can create virtual cards for their team to manage expenses, automate payouts to their artists, and integrate Airwallex's payment gateway directly into their online store. This kind of streamlined financial operation allows them to focus on what they do best, creating beautiful jewelry, not wrestling with spreadsheets and bank statements. Finally, we have the big players. Major tech companies, SaaS platforms, and even established enterprises are turning to Airwallex for their complex global needs. Why? Because as a company grows, its financial operations become incredibly complex. They need to manage payroll for international employees, handle cross-border B2B payments, and reconcile transactions across dozens of markets. Airwallex's robust APIs and enterprise-grade solutions provide the backbone for these operations. They can automate thousands of payments, gain real-time visibility into their global cash flow, and ensure compliance in every region they operate in. Airwallex is the invisible engine that powers their international expansion, allowing them to move faster and smarter than their competitors. So, who uses Airwallex? The ambitious startup dreaming of global reach, the thriving e-commerce brand managing a worldwide supply chain, and the multinational corporation fine-tuning its global financial operations. It's for anyone who sees the world not as a series of borders, but as a single, connected marketplace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.